Payroll is one of the most powerful parts of ZetaFisc, and like any payroll it needs a one-time setup before the first run. We do that in Payroll Settings, which has three parts: General Settings, the salary structure, and the tax bands. On General Settings, the salary basis is set to annual, required for accurate Nigerian PAYE, and the statutory rates are pre-filled with the Nigerian defaults, pension, NHF, NHIS, ITF, and NSITF. You can adjust any of these to match your organization, and below them are the ledger accounts payroll post to. With the accounts mapped, we save the general settings. Next, the salary structure. Every staff member's gross pay is split into components: basic, housing, transport, and so on, and this must add up to 100% of gross. ZetaFisc can load a standard Nigerian structure for us. We open salary components. We click Set Default Components to load the standard structure. The system confirms the structure: basic 20%, housing 20%, transport 10%, meal 10%, utilities and medical 15% each, and others 10%, totaling 100%. We create them. There they are, the full structure: basic, housing, transport, meal, utilities, medical and others, adding up to 100% of gross. You are not tied to this, though. A tenant can build its own structure instead. The Add Component button opens this form, where you give a component a code, a name, its type, a statutory role, and a percentage of gross. We will keep the standard structure, so we just close it. Finally, the PAYE tax bands, the progressive brackets used to calculate income tax. We open PAYE tax bands and load the latest Nigeria Tax Act 2025 bands. We confirm the migration. The tax bands are in the first 800,000 naira tax-free, then rising rates band by band, exactly as the Nigeria Tax Act 2025 sets out. Let us scroll through all of them. Payroll is now fully configured: settings, the 100% salary structure, and the tax bands. In the next video we set up each staff member's salary, then run our first payroll.